Hello, good day. Welcome back, everyone. How are we all doing today? This is WTI, and it's just a few minutes before the news, which is the job data coming later today. I just want to chip a couple of things in before we run into the new full details of the whole market. And haven't we seen it all already? Look at this drop that happened yesterday. Oh boy, this is the ISM data, the manufacturing PMI data that came out yesterday on USD. And see what it did to WTI. It just dropped all the way down from where we were actually planning on. I was expecting a break, a pullback, and continuation to the downside. If you watch my last video, and then that didn't play out. You can see this gap right there. Actually, the gap was around 240 pips yesterday. Majority of you that you are oil trader actually saw it yesterday happened. Hands on. I saw it like first and I was quite angry. But then I was remembered that okay, anything can happen in this business. It's part of the game. Okay, it's part of the old charade of the market. It's better to just chill. So right now, I just really want to update you on how the market has been progressing so far. I didn't make any video yesterday because I was quite busy, and it's also the first day of the month. So why not? So this is the second day of the month. It's Tuesday, excuse me. Okay, it's Tuesday, and we are right here. So the plan still remains the same. We've got to see some pullback at least to cover the whole plan here, the whole gap here. Excuse me. All right, we've got to see a fill up of this gap. If we can get it filled up, and then we can now start looking for a better sell trade. Okay, I've seen this happen over time, and the gap will mostly get filled up, but it's taking too long. And then maybe the news coming later today will help us. We trigger a couple of things and we see the gap all ultimately filled. But I'm not sure yet. And also, I'm not crazy about it. But the fact is, for me to enter a trade here, for me to trade WTI for now, this gap has to be filled. Or if it couldn't get filled, then I'll probably look for a pullback. Okay, excuse me for that. Okay, I will probably look for a pullback. And that pullback, like I said, that pullback also means the gap has to get filled, like right there. Okay, the gap has to be filled before I can look for a better short trade. So this is something I would really like to look for, and I really love to see on WTI for now. I don't really have much to say. However, I'm thinking of taking a counter trend trade. And I'm going to take you to the 1 hour bounce now to show you what I mean by counter trend trade. So first off, if you notice, let me bring out my indicator. If you notice, even the indicator, the RSI indicator, is signaling an extreme oversold. As a matter of fact, the market went all the way down to, give me a minute, let me draw it out. All right. It went all the way down to 11. Okay, that's almost like the lowest I've ever been. That's like extremely oversold. All right. So seeing that means the market will ultimately pull back. All right. It does. It will definitely. Okay. So we have this trend line here. That's number one. Let me put that right there. That's not actually what I'm planning to trade anyways, but I just want to put that there. All right. And secondly, we have this. Okay, we have this ultimate gap right there. All right, but it's gonna be a very tricky thing to trade. Okay, it's gonna be a very tricky thing to trade, anyways. Okay. However, I'll be very patient with this. Okay, I'm circling it because it's very important that we see that this there's a gap there, and it's also going to help me really understand the whole market scenario. All right. So this is going to be how I will approach the buy. All right. I'm going to look for a break of this trend line, a pullback, a break above that area. Then I will target this area first. If I can get a pullback to retest this area, so that's going to be my second. So my entry is going to look like this: a buy around here. All right. My first target is here, and my second target will be right at the top here. All right. So this is how it's gonna look like. All right. My entry here, my buy target here, and my second target right there. Okay. So with that, I think I might actually get this. I might get this. I might get to see this today. All right. I mean, today, tomorrow, there is the news coming today. Just news is coming today. So I will actually be very ready for this. Okay, I'll be very ready for this. Also, we can see this drag to the downside. All right, so the same thing on my indicator. If I can see a break, the pullback, and then I will target the oversold. I mean overbought. All right, at the top here. So I'm gonna see how it goes. I'm gonna see how it goes. But the range bound kind of tricked me into waiting too long, and that was quite unfortunate though, because I would have really loved to grab all this drop. I mean, who wouldn't want to grab all this drop, right? Who wouldn't? I would have loved to grab it. And you know how long I've been waiting? I've been waiting for like 2 weeks now. I've been waiting for like 2 weeks now. So it's actually very. So let me check again. Yes, that's 28 days, almost a month. Okay, almost a month. But it's fine, right? It's fine. So I'm not gonna get emotional. I'm not gonna get emotional. I'm just kidding, okay? I'm just kidding. So, all right, that's that. And we're gonna see how it goes. We're gonna see how it goes. Even on 4 hour, it's still at oversold. All right, it's still at oversold. So this is actually it's gonna move back to the upside. But the question is, are you ready to wait, or can we really wait for this to happen? Hope we're not gonna chicken out. Hope we're not gonna run out of it. Okay. So that's my plan on this. For now, I'm gonna catch you later as it goes. I'm gonna update you. So just relax, chill, and we're gonna enjoy the whole ride together as it goes. So catch you later. Bye for now.